How do you know if the magnet you got actually lives up to the specs? Welcome to the BMag Magnet channel. Today we're breaking down a key concept, magnetic flux. And this right here is a flux meter, the tool designed specifically to measure it. So what even is magnetic flux? Actually, it's just the total number of magnetic field lines passing through a surface. The higher the density of these lines, the stronger the magnetic flux and the greater the magnetic force. Let's test the small magnets first. First, stick this magnet in the device and you'll see the numbers change, but these numbers ain't accurate. We gotta reset them, zero them out, then yank the magnet out fast. That's the true test value. Now let's try flipping the direction and test it again. The reading barely changes, only 0.06 MWB. Here's why. The magnetic field lines run horizontally, but our magnet's magnetizing direction is vertical. That's how we get an accurate magnetic flux reading. If your test direction doesn't match the magnetization direction, you won't get an accurate reading. Now, let's put two identical magnets together, test their magnetic flux, and find out if quantity impacts it at all. 4.88, double the original number. Then, 3 magnets. It's 7.39. Proves magnetic flux adds up linearly with the number of magnets. Compared to the Tesla meters we use daily, this tool's readings are way more accurate and true to the magnet's actual performance. Because Tesla meters only measure one spot on the magnet's surface. So things like how hard you hold the probe or where you place it can easily throw off the results. In contrast, a flux meter measures the total magnetic field lines through a surface. It checks the magnet's overall field density, so it's way more accurate. No matter what, surface magnetism and magnetic flux are both key magnet specs. We test every single magnet rigorously, making sure every piece sent to customers checks all the boxes. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you're into magnet stuff, subscribe, like and share. See you next time.